champions. Welcome back to our exciting journey through science. Today's chapter is not about gadgets or machines, it's about you and your body. Mindful eating, a path to a healthy body. That is the third chapter of our NCRT textbook Classics, exploring nutritional choices and the importance of reducing waste, food waste. Do you ever eat chips while watching TV and suddenly realizes the whole packet is gone? That is what we call mindless eating. Today we will learn how to eat mindfully and stay healthy. Mindful eating encourages awareness of our food choices and their effects on our health. By focusing on what we eat, we can make better decisions that promote well-being and minimize waste. Taking the time to appreciate each meal helps us understand the effort behind food production, foster a respect for the resource involved. Mindful eating means paying full attention to what you are eating, how it tastes, how it smells, and makes you feel heavenly. Like when you slowly eat a mango and enjoy every bite, like we say, yummy, sit. So, in this chapter, we are focusing on the food varieties, diversity of food in India. So, we know that India is a country of diversity. It is diverse in festival, climate, languages, in every purpose. It has diversity in each state. Then, diversity of food in India. Rich agriculture diversity. India's food diversity reflects its rich agriculture practices and regional crops, leading to a wide range of cuisines and dishes. Each region showcases unique flavors and ingredients that are deeply influenced by local traditions and agriculture practices. So, in this method, we're focusing on the rich, diverse agriculture diversity. The regional crops and agriculture practices are different in different region of India. So each region showcases unique flavor and ingredients that are deeply influenced by their local traditions and their agriculture practices. Cultural influences on food. Cultural influences such as festivals and rituals play a significant role in food choices. Traditional dishes are often prepared for celebration, showcasing their heritage and family recipes. They are mainly focusing their heritage and the family recipes that being passed through generations to generations. Okay, then varied taste preferences. Taste preferences vary widely across India, with some regions favoring spicy dishes while others prefer milder flavors. This diversity is the reflection of local palates and available ingredients, making Indian cuisine incredibly varied and exciting. So, varied taste preferences. So, the varied taste and preferences of our regions. Some prefer spicy dishes while others prefer non-spicy. It depends on the taste. It depends on the area. And so Indian cuisines are incredibly amazing and varied. Next topic, that's the importance of reducing food waste. Recognizing effort behind our food. Food significance a loss of resources and effort from farmers and community members who work hard to grow and prepare our food. Mindful proportion control. By being mindful of our proportions and only taking what we can eat, we can significantly minimize waste. So we need to minimize wastage of our food because we need to respect the effort behind each food preparation. So mindful portion control is essential. Environmental impact of food waste. Food waste contributes to environmental problems such as increased methane emissions from landfills, which can further harm our plants. For the decomposition of the food waste, the production of methane is very high. So, methane is the emission of methane gas from the landfills, which will directly harm our planet. So, we are discussing a journey illustrating the essential step from cultivation to consumption, highlight the importance of each phase. So, the food production, the food from farm to plate is discussed, or this method is being focused on these three these five steps. So first is cultivation. Farmers plant and nurture crops and ensuring proper conditions for growth, which is the first step in the food supply chain. So first step is cultivation, then harvesting. Once crops are ripe, they are harvested, making the traditional farm tradition transition from farm to processing. Harvesting is the step that make the transition from farm to processing. The next step is processing. After harvesting, food is processed for preservation and packaging, making it for contribution distribution. Next is distribution. Processed food is then distributed to markets, grocery shops, and restaurants, making it accessible to consumers or the customers. Consumption. Finally, food reaches our plate where we enjoy and appreciate the effort of everyone involved in this journey. The main phases are cultivation, harvesting, processing, distribution, and consumption. These steps are not detailedly mentioned in your textbook, not detailedly mentioned in your textbook, but you can memorize these five steps or you can memorize these words itself. Okay, first is cultivation, harvesting, processing, then distribution, and of course, consumption. Okay, reduces food miles. Eating local food significantly reduce food miles, minimizing distance food travel from farm to plate. This not only results in fresher produce but also lessens the environmental impact. So it will directly reduce the food distance and it will produce some fresher products compared to the higher distance the product may be contaminated, so with minimal distance the product will be fresh. Okay, and also the transportational facilities and the environmental impact associated with the transportation is reduced. Supports local producers. Supporting local food system enhances community economics and encourages sustainable farming practices. So the local producers are get more more recognition. Okay, local producers are people who grow or produce food and goods near our homes so that the product will be fresh and also we can support them and promote a healthy habit. Key nutrition for the healthy body. This topic is very important in your textbook and also for the examination. So we can keenly observe and study. Okay, science is science is observation. Carbohydrates, energy source. Carbohydrates are the primary source of food of energy of our bodies, providing fuel for daily activities and functions. For our daily activities, eating, exercising, studying, all these activities are being fueled from our energy resource called carbohydrates. So they are very important for our lifestyle. They are found in foods like grains, fruits, and vegetables. So next is fats, energy storage and protection. Fats are essential for storing energy and supporting cell growth and protecting organs. Healthy fats found in foods such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil are particularly beneficial. Fats for they are for storing energy and protecting our organs and also supporting cell growth. For the cell growth, it is essential. Fats are essential. Okay, there are good fats and bad fats. We need to consume good fats and thereby reducing the effect of cholesterol. Proteins, building blocks of our body. Proteins are vital for building and repairing body tissues. They are made of amino acids and can be found in sources like meat, dairy, beans, and nuts. So they are the building blocks of our body. Vitamins, vital for health. Vitamins support various body functions, including immune response and energy production. So, what is known as an immune response? It will directly help us to get rid of germs and fight against that germs using some antibodies that produced in our body. For that production, we need vitamins. Different vitamins like A, B, C, D, E, and K are crucial for maintaining health and can be found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Minerals, essential for body functions. Minerals are essential for processes such as bone formation, heart function, and muscle contraction. Important minerals include calcium, iron, and potassium found in dairy, meats, and leafy greens. Okay. The foundation of good health. For a foundation of good health, we need a balanced diet. A balanced diet is crucial for overall well being, producing all essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals in a right proportion. Okay. It also includes adequate roughage and water, supporting growth and energy production, protection against diseases, ensuring variety in food choices help meet the body's nutritional needs effectively. Understanding deficiency diseases. What are a deficiency diseases? Deficiency diseases occurs when a body lacks essential nutrients for the prolonged period, affecting overall health and body functions. Some of the examples of deficiency diseases are given. Scurvy. It is due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Scurvy is caused by a lack of vitamin C, leading to similar simple symptoms. Symptoms such as weakness, anemia, and skin issues. So, what are known as symptoms? Symptoms are some sort of clues or signs that can be shown in our body when something is wrong. Okay, so the symptoms are weakness, anemia, and skin issues. Rickets, a bone disorder. Rickets is due to the result of insufficient vitamin D, calcium, or phosphate, leading to weak or soft bones in mainly in children. Okay. So, the unhealthy impact of junk food. High sugar and fats, junk foods are often high in sugar and unhealthy fats, leading to weight gain and obesity. They lack essential nutrients and dietary fibers, making them low quality food choices that can harm overall health. So, junk foods are not good for our health. So, this question may be asked for your examination. So focus on that junk foods are not good for our health. They are often high in sugar and they lack overall essential nutrients that need our body. Like carbohydrates, body builders like proteins, good fats are all lack in junk foods. So consuming a little bit of junk food is not harm, but consuming it day by day as a daily routine causes high damage to our body and obesity, weight gain, etc. will. Health risk. Regular consumption of junk food can lead to serious health issues such as diabetes, heart diseases, and high blood pressure due to its poor nutritional content and excessive calorie levels. Okay. Artificial ingredients. They may include preservatives and artificial ingredients which can contribute to various health problems that includes allergies and digestive issues. Okay, so millets, nutrient rich and versatile. Millets, often referred to as a nutri cereals, are essential for our health as they vital nutrients including carbohydrates, proteins, and dietary fibers. They are not easy to cultivate in various conditions, but also support. They are not only easy to cultivate in various climate conditions, but also support sustainable farming practices. So they can cultivate in any climate condition. Okay, incorporating my millets into our diet contributes to health, better health, and environmental sustainability. So it will also increase our environmental sustainability. And this millet include fibers, carbohydrates, proteins that are needed for our perfect diet plan. Okay. So once again, we are discussing nutritional deficiencies and other consequences. So first is vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to vision problems, including night blindness and even complete loss of vision. Sources they include papaya, carrots, and milk. So they are basically in fruits like carrots, papaya, and also in milk. Vitamin A deficiency leads to night blindness. Next is vitamin C that we already discussed. It leads to scurvy. That can be the symptoms may be bleeding gums and slow healing of wounds. The food is rich in vitamin C, includes amla, guava, and citrus food. Citrus foods include oranges, etc. Okay. oranges, mosambies. Okay, then iron deficiency. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, the characterized by weakness, shortness of breath. Green leafy vegetables and pomegranates are excellent sources of iron. Okay, calcium deficiency will leads to rickets, which causes soft and bent bones. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency is also result in rickets. Okay, rickets. And then these things are already discussed in our early slides. Okay, health benefits of local food. We need to support local food producers, and the environmental impact of non-local foods are very high compared to local food. So like the higher carbon footprints due to transportation contributing to environmental degradation, etc. Okay, so we need to highly recommend fresh foods that can be contributed from our local areas, local food producers. So testing for nutrients in food. This topic is described in your text in a few bullet points. I'm just summarizing and including it only in few sentences. Okay. A timeline of key tests for identify essential nutrients in food. So first is text for test for starch. Iodine solution is used to declare starch in food items where a blue-black coloration indicates its presence. So if we take a food piece in a text tube, adding few solutions of iodine solution, after sometimes it will turn into a blue-black color when the food item contains starch. For the testing of starch, we need an iodine solution. Okay. So for test for fat, food items are placed on paper to check for oily patches. When they check where they are placed on a paper and they will check for the oily patches. That indicates the presence of fat. The oily patches, the oily thing in the food will indicate the presence of fat. Next is text for proteins. Food items are treated with copper sulfate and caustic soda, where a violet color indicates protein content. Copper sulfate and caustic soda are needed for the indication of protein in a food content. Okay, embrace mindful eating for better health. Mindful eating fosters awareness of food choices and their impact on health and environment. By respecting the effort of fruit producers and minimizing waste, individuals can contribute to their well-being and promote sustainability. So, guys, drink more water. You guys can drink 1 to 2 liter daily. Stay healthy, stay focused. Hope you have a nice day ahead. And the important questions of this chapter may be discussed in the next video. I think I need to do second and third chapter important questions. So stay tuned for another video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Please subscribe the channel and share it in your groups. Thank you for your time. Okay.